Mohawk ambles over. The hard work already done, he finishes the job with a firm grip on the bull's windpipe and suffocates him. The bull's thick hide means the lions can't go in through his stomach, as they would with other prey. They target weak points on his muzzle and at his rear end. Axel arrives as the lionesses breach the carcass. He's played no part, but as a defender of the pride, he can claim his share. There's plenty for all. At last, the pride has the big meal it so desperately needs. Even the teenagers don't need to wait their turn. The feasting continues for the rest of the day. Lionesses, who have eaten their fill, retreat to the shade to digest their huge meal. Digesting meat produces a lot of heat. The big cats have to pant to stay cool. A male like Mohawk can eat almost 100 pounds of meat in a single sitting. After a feast like this, he won't need to eat for days. And there's plenty of meat still left on the carcass for the ravenous teens.